How to play Ragnarok X Next Generation on your PC. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to talk about how you can enjoy Ragnarok X Next Generation on your PC using BlueStacks. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. Ragnarok X Next Generation is a massively popular role-playing game developed by Graft Game Hub, known for its nostalgic yet refreshed gameplay, character classes, and rich open-world exploration. To experience it on a bigger screen with better performance, BlueStacks is the perfect tool. It's an Android emulator that allows you to run mobile apps and games on your Windows or Mac OS computer. Playing Ragnarok X on BlueStacks gives you several benefits. Smoother gameplay with higher FPS and full HD resolution, better control options using keyboard and mouse, multi-instance mode to play multiple accounts at once, macro support to automate repetitive actions, real-time translation for in-game text, eco mode for low resource consumption, built-in screen recording and screenshots. These features not only enhance the gaming experience, but also give you more flexibility compared to mobile play. Whether you're grinding, exploring dungeons, or just enjoying the vibrant graphics, playing on PC adds a layer of convenience and power that mobile devices simply can't match. And since BlueStacks regularly updates its platform, you also get ongoing compatibility and performance improvements for games like Ragnarok X. So that's everything you need to know about playing Ragnarok X Next Generation on PC using BlueStacks. It's a fantastic combo if you're looking to level up your gameplay experience. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.